Hello everybody, this is Alvaro Sandoval with Binders Home Improvement Contracting. In this occasion, we are doing a garage door refinishing and we're going to show you the process. And if you have any questions about the products that we use or any type of questions that you might have, please send us an email to contractor@bindershomeimprovement.com and we will be happy to help you. For this garage door, we had to use a paint stripper to remove all stains and do a lot of sanding with different type of sandpaper grits. And after that, we decided to clean the wood as much as we could and start applying the new stain, in this case dark walnut, and finishing up with a clear coat for exterior. And the results were great and we're very happy with the results. And yeah, if you have any questions, please let us know. We'll be very happy to help you. Thank you.